Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warranty-Wise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Ford Fiesta Zetec for a little test drive. Car fires up very nicely, slip it into first gear, and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there, going through the gears really well. So the clutch and the gearbox feel good. The suspension is riding the bumps on this country road with ease. Brakes feel spot on, steering feels nice. So the car is driving as it should. The Fiesta is a really nice car to drive. It's very smooth, it handles well. You've got good forward visibility, and this one's got rear parking sensors as well, which is a fitted upgrade. This one's also got the sat-nav on display there, which gives you a larger multimedia screen, as well as the sat-nav, obviously. Again, another factory fitted upgrade. You've also got DAB radio on this one as well as Bluetooth hands-free and audio streaming. And down here there's a USB port as well, so loads of different ways to connect your devices, as well as a CD player. The car's got air conditioning, lovely leather steering wheel with phone and audio controls on these buttons just here on the left. Fords also give you some nice things like a heated front windscreen. Not a lot of use at this time of year, apart from maybe demisting it on a, I don't know, in the morning or something, but great for the winter, because you can just press a button and use your wipers, no scraping required. Really good 1 litre engine, low insurance, cheap road tax, loads of miles per gallon, and still 100 PS, so plenty of power. And yeah, that's driving spot on. This will make a nice car for somebody. So thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care, and bye for now.